Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
To cook up a rap song that truly hits, you first need to gather your essential ingredients. Think of it like preparing a gourmet meal. You can't build a masterpiece without quality components. This means starting with a powerful concept or story, selecting a beat that resonates, and then focusing on writing authentic, impactful lyrics. Getting these foundational elements right ensures your track has a strong base to build upon, making the entire creation process smoother and more effective. Just like a great dish needs a solid base, a rap song thrives on a captivating beat. This isn't just background music, it's the pulsating heart of your track, setting the entire mood and energy for your lyrical narrative. Consider whether you need something aggressive, melancholic, or celebratory. Your beat choice should perfectly complement your message, creating an immersive experience for the listener and providing the ideal canvas for your words to truly shine. Now for the true flavor, your lyrics. This is where your unique voice shines through, telling your story, delivering your message, and connecting with your audience on a deeper level. Use strong imagery, engaging metaphors, and impactful punchlines to make your words pop. Authenticity is key here. Don't be afraid to express your true self. Every line should serve a purpose, adding depth and resonance to your overall composition, making it truly unforgettable. With your ingredients ready, it's time for the cooking process, your flow and delivery. This is the art of how you ride the beat, how your words rhythmically dance over the instrumentation. Experiment with different speeds, pauses, and inflections to find a style that's distinctly yours and perfectly suits the song's energy. A strong, confident delivery ensures your message hits hard, allowing your listeners to fully absorb and appreciate the intricate layers of your lyrical creation. Finally, after all that creative effort, it's time for the presentation, mixing and mastering. Think of this as plating your culinary masterpiece. These crucial technical steps balance all your ingredients, ensuring every element is clear and impactful. A professional mix brings out the best in your beat and vocals, while mastering optimizes the overall loudness and clarity. This final polish ensures your rap song sounds radio-ready and truly shines when it's served up to your audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.